How to log in into Lloyds Credit Card account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into Lloyds Credit Card account. So let's get started. Open your web browser and go to the Lloyds Bank website. Once you are on the Lloyds Bank homepage, click on the login button in the top right corner. Here you need to choose your account type. If you haven't registered yet, you can click on register right here. Tap on the personal. Now you will see the login page. Enter your user ID and password. After entering your details, click the continue button. And that's it. You are now logged in into Lloyds credit card account where you can manage your account, view your statement and make payments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you in the next video.